Hello, welcome to Don in the Tub, presented by Little Pine Education, the best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 15. So, what time of year do you think it is? Take a look, what do you see? That's part of the setting. When a story happens is the setting. Let's take a look at the short vowel words first. Don, hill, sled, got, wet, mom, tub, his, jet, duck, sub, bed, it, fun, and the challenge word played. Don went on the hill to sled. He got very wet. Mom put Don in the tub. He played with his jet. He played with his duck. But where was his sub? He called his mom to help him find his sub. She said, "You took it to bed." She got it from his bed. Don had fun in the tub. Do you like to take a bath in the tub, or do you prefer to take a shower? Well, I hope you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you again next time.